Discover the incredible benefits of carrots for your diet. Welcome to today's video, where we will explore the incredible benefits of carrots for your diet. Carrots are not only delicious and versatile, but also packed with nutrients that can aid in weight loss and overall health. In this session, we will discuss why carrots are effective for dieting, various dishes you can prepare, cooking methods, and important precautions to consider. Let's dive into the world of carrots and discover how they can transform your diet. Carrots are low in calories yet high in fiber, making them an excellent choice for those looking to lose weight. A medium-sized carrot contains about 25 calories, which allows you to enjoy a satisfying snack without the guilt. Additionally, carrots are rich in vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining good vision, skin health, and immune function. Moreover, the natural sweetness of carrots can satisfy your cravings for sugary snacks, making them a healthier alternative. The antioxidants found in carrots, such as beta-carotene, also play a role in reducing inflammation and promoting overall health, which is crucial when you are on a weight loss journey. Now that we understand the benefits of carrots, let's explore some delicious dishes you can prepare. Start by sautéing chopped onions and garlic in a pot until they are translucent. Add diced carrots and fresh ginger, then pour in vegetable broth. Let it simmer until the carrots are tender. Blend the mixture until smooth and season with salt and pepper. This soup is not only comforting but also packed with nutrients. The ginger adds a spicy kick that can boost your metabolism. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut carrots into sticks and toss them with olive oil, honey, and fresh thyme. Spread them on a baking sheet and roast for about 25 minutes until they are caramelized and tender. This dish is a perfect side that combines the natural sweetness of carrots with the aromatic flavor of thyme, making it a delightful addition to any meal. Grate fresh carrots and mix them with chopped parsley, raisins, and sunflower seeds. For the dressing, whisk together lemon juice, olive oil, honey, salt, and pepper. This salad is refreshing and provides a crunchy texture that is satisfying. The lemon dressing adds a zesty flavor that enhances the natural sweetness of the carrots. Blend together chopped carrots, a banana, a handful of spinach, and almond milk for a nutritious smoothie. This drink is perfect for breakfast or as a post-workout snack. The combination of carrots and spinach provides a wealth of vitamins, while the banana adds creaminess and natural sweetness. Blend cooked carrots with chickpeas, tahini, garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil until smooth. This hummus is a great dip for vegetables or whole grain crackers. It's a healthy snack option that is rich in protein and fiber, keeping you full and satisfied. While carrots are generally safe and healthy, there are a few precautions to keep in mind. First, moderation is key. Although carrots are low in calories, consuming them in excessive amounts can lead to an overconsumption of sugar, as they contain natural sugars. It's important to balance your diet with a variety of vegetables to ensure you are getting a wide range of nutrients. Additionally, if you have certain health conditions, such as diabetes, it's advisable to monitor your carbohydrate intake, including the sugars found in carrots. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian if you have specific dietary concerns. In conclusion, carrots are a fantastic addition to any diet. Their low calorie count, high fiber content, and rich nutrient profile make them an ideal food for weight loss and overall health. By incorporating dishes like carrot and ginger soup, roasted carrots, carrot salad, smoothies, and hummus into your meals, you can enjoy the benefits of this versatile vegetable while keeping your diet exciting and flavorful. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you feel inspired to include more carrots in your diet and experiment with these delicious recipes. Remember, a healthy diet is all about balance and variety, so enjoy your journey to better health with the power of carrots.